Hello everyone, welcome back to the Computer and IT Fundamental series. In today's Practical 7, we are going to learn one of the most essential Linux skills used by system admin, cloud engineers, DevOps engineers, SOC analysts, and cybersecurity professionals connecting to a Linux server using SSH. We'll start by understanding what SSH is, then we'll configure an Ubuntu virtual machine as an SSH server, connect to it remotely, and verify that everything is working correctly. Before we start the practical, let's first understand what SSH actually is. SSH stands for Secure Shell. It is a secure network protocol that allows us to remotely connect to another computer or server over a network. Instead of sitting in front of the server physically, we can log in from our own system and perform administrative tasks such as installing software, checking logs, restarting services, or troubleshooting problems. One of the biggest advantages of SSH is security. Unlike older protocols such as Telnet, SSH encrypts all communication between the client and the server. This means that usernames, passwords, and commands are transmitted securely. Because of this, SSH has become the standard method for managing Linux server in organizations, cloud environments like AWS and Azure, and cybersecurity operations. To install an SSH server on Ubuntu. So firstly, we need to install and enable Open SSH server. So let's start now. As you can see, the SSH server was already installed in it. So that's why there is no upgraded, no installed, no removed is being shown. Next, we are going to see what is the status of our SSH server. Okay, so it's running. We are going to check the SSH port. It's working on port 22. We are going to allow SSH in firewall. Now let's identify what is the IP of our machine. So it's given here. Now we are going to open our PowerShell of our home machine and we are going to write it SSH. The name of the machine is sim @ IP. So now it's connected. Let's understand where SSH is actually used in the real world. Imagine you're working as a Linux administrator or a SOC analyst in an organization. One day, a production Linux server generates an alert indicating high CPU usage or repeated failure login attempts. Since the server is located in a data center or cloud environment, visiting it physically isn't practical. Instead, you securely connect to the server using SSH. Review the system logs, check running processes, identify the root cause of the issue, and perform the required maintenance. All from your own workstation. This is exactly how Linux servers are managed in modern IT infrastructures, making SSH an essential skill for anyone pursuing a career in Linux, cloud computing, DevOps, IT support, or cybersecurity. Congratulations, you successfully completed this practical on connecting to a Linux server using SSH. Today, we learned what SSH is, why it's widely used, how to install and configure an SSH server on Ubuntu, and how secure remote access works in real world environments. If you found this practical helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others who are learning Linux, and subscribe to the channel for more hands on IT and cybersecurity practicals. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next practical.